Hey, good morning guys, Pat Golinski here. What a beautiful view right on the lake. This is a manufactured home, and I love these in the Savannah Club in Port St. Lucie. Absolutely beautiful. The place is great, been redone, except for these countertops. These countertops are tired. They need a new finish, and that's why I'm here. I'm gonna refinish them to my color, Midnight Sky. That's right, these countertops will be refinished to Midnight Sky. That's a dramatic color. It's gonna give her a dramatic look. We're gonna round off that square edge like we always do. Man, this is gonna be awesome, but I have got a ton of work to do today, a ton. Wait till you see this one. All right, I'm 4 hours into this job prepping. It's ready to roll to get some epoxy bonding primer on this thing. All the corners have been the old silicone removed. This is a paintable caulking. I've used this for a number of years. Works awesome. Rounded over those square edges. They're now soft. If you bump into them, you're not gonna hurt yourself. Over here, same thing. Same with that corner. Nice and rounded up. And this is the front entry door, so you want that softened. We are ready to roll. Well, as promised, here's the final video. This thing is absolutely beautiful. Our customer loves it. Rounded over that square edge. Every outside edge on the counter is rounded. Look at that black color. It's called Midnight Sky. It goes fantastic with her new floating vinyl floors and her new freshly white painted cabinets. And then we got that little bar area over there. This is what it's all about, refinishing. It makes sense. Don't rip it out. Don't replace it if you don't have to. I'm Pat Golinski. This is what I do 5 days a week. Thanks for watching. Thanks for sharing.